Hey friends, today I will show you how I took care of my feet at the night time. It's a night care routine. First, I wash my feet with hot water like this. It's shown in the video. First, I clean my feet and it gives me relaxation also. Whole day I walk and then after that I give relax to my feet and clean my feet. If you don't clean up your feet, this remedy will not work. So first you clean your feet with hot water. It gives relaxation also. And if you have pain in your legs, then it will give relief. So this is the process I am using. So after cleaning your feet and soles, see my soles became totally clean and soft. After that I will rub it with this towel, or you can use one cotton cloth also, or you can use gamusa. After that I am using this Oriflame body cream. I took and massage in my feet and legs so that it becomes soft. Massage properly before going to bed. I massage like this every day before going to bed so that it becomes soft. It will help in nourishing and it will moisturize your skin. If you have dry skin, you can use this Oriflame body cream. It is enriched with organic cocoa butter and coconut oil. It will moisturize your skin for 24 hours. Massage properly. After that I am using in my soles like this. I will massage my soles. First I have cleaned my soles. After that I have massaged properly. This is the secret I am using. See, my soles became too soft, too shiny. After that you can sleep.